So I'm in my workshop right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the chicks. So here's the chickies. Everybody's doing good, except for one. We sadly lost one chick. Alright, just but I need to go sweep the barn. Enjoy this little ASMR. But later I have to, I don't have to, but I'm gonna jump Reggie. Probably do some training with Magsy and Nash. And right now I'm trying to teach Willow how to sit. Look at these cute faces. So, if you want to know, I'm curious about my dogs, like how many we have, and all their names, I'll show you right now real quick. So this little loudmouth is Willow, and then this is right here. This is Willow. What are you barking for? Anyways, this little, he's just always picks on the other dogs. But this is Nash, and then this is Magsy. Everybody knows Magsy and Nash. Hello. But these two are the best, the easiest to train. Especially him, he's really easy. Okay, I'll show you. Here, Nash, sit. Okay, maybe please move. Okay, sit. He doesn't want to sit for me. Sit. And down. He wants to play. But yeah, he doesn't know how to sit. So is Magsy. Magsy knows sit, stay, high five, and she does jump. And she does lay down, sort of. Nash knows sit. Nash, sit, lay down, roll over. Willow knows nothing. Yeah, she's tiny. What? It's not dinner time. But yeah, those are my dogs. When I was little, I also have Reggie. My dog, I'm probably gonna jump. Yeah, this is Reggie. If you don't know who he is, he's my favorite dog in the whole entire world, aren't you, Reggie? Yeah, you my fave? Reggie, look up. And then this is my dad's pin dog, Sprite. So I just put this dog igloo thingy with some straw in it in here for AB. And he's the way. So he can go in there if he wants to. Just sit a little bit better out of the weather. So it is cold. It's muddy and icing and raining. And I was just running across my yard so I could get over here faster. And my dogs was running with me and tripped me, and I rolled across the yard into the mud, and I'm covered in mud, like all over me. But here's the cafe. There it is. You can't really see it that well, but I have a picture of it. I'll pop it up. But it is a, drumroll please, heifer. It is another heifer. But yeah, it's another heifer. Our dogs are not our dogs. Our cows have had all girls, except for one. One calf was a girl in our 5 years of raising cows. Oh, you can see its face. It's really cute. But it's a girl. It's a black one, and we think I don't know. We've kind of chosen the name Black Beauty. We're not dead set on it yet, but if we do for sure name her that, then we would call her Beauty most of the time. But yeah, it's really cute. Another black one. And with our cow Dixie, she can always either have a black calf or a tan calf. And this year she threw another black one out there. It's really cute. So there it is. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can notify all the videos that I post. Post more videos just like these. And comment down below to get a chance to get a shout out, because that's where I choose my shout outs, in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. This week's shout out is... Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, there's the bull. He's crazy. Hello. You're big. Very big. Very, very big. It's getting to be so crazy. He tried ramming down my grandpa the other day. Ah! See, he's crazy. Alright, so I gotta go back out into the wind. And I'm gonna show you guys the cat finally. So that's probably the most exciting part about today's video. Yeah. Kitties.